My name is Komartket Yadesaugi, and I am here today with deeply painful request. I am searching for my sister, Masarat Adamu. Masarat is not just my sister, she is my only sister. My other siblings are brothers. Because of that, the bond I have with her is very special to me. I have been carrying this question in my heart for many years. Where is my sister? Is she alive? Is she safe? Yeah, now I am appealing to the public, the social media community, and especially to anyone who may have known her in the United Arab Emirates to please help me find her. I don't want anything from her except to know that she is safe. After all these years, I just wanna to hear her voice again. Masarat was born in Abuna Gindabarat Woroda. She grew up in Jimma and later came to Ambo town where she worked at Photo Sion. According to what my mother told me, Masarat first went to the United Arab Emirates around the winter of 1992 according to Ethiopian calendar. I was still a child that time, so my memories are limited. But I remember something very important. In 1995, during the fasting period of before Easter, Masarat came back from UA and I saw my sister with my own eyes. That memory has stayed in my heart for all these years. After she had been back for a short break, she went back to the United Arab Emirates again. After that, we eventually lost contact with her. After she returned to the UAE, she sent a letter to our mother from Sharjah. That letter is extremely important to me because it is one of the last pieces of information I have about her. I knew from that letter that she was in Sharjah, UAE at that time. But after that, contact was lost. For many years, I have wondered what happened after that letter. Where did she go? Who was with her? Did she continue living in Sharjah or not? Is she somewhere else now? I don't know. That uncertainty is one of the most painful things I can experience. I hope that someone who knew her in Sharjah, especially around that period, will see this appeal and remember her. If anyone remembers Masarat Adamu, especially anyone who lived or worked in Sharjah around 1990s or early 20s, I sincerely ask them to think carefully. Maybe someone who worked with her, maybe someone who lived near her, maybe someone who was her friend, maybe someone knew an Ethiopian community member who knew her. Maybe someone remembers receiving a message from her or knows that happened to her after she sent that letter to our mother. Please don't assume that memory from 20 years ago is too old to matter. One small piece of information could be the missing piece that helps us find her. If anyone has genuine information, please contact me. I am looking for my sister. Masarat, if you are watching or listening to this, please know that I have not forgotten you. You are my only sister. I still a child when I saw you came back from you in 1995. I remember that you returned and then after short time you went back to the UAE. I never imagined that so many years would pass without knowing where you are. Masarat, I am not angry with you. I am not here to blame you. I don't want anything from you. I just want to know that you are alive and safe. If you are somewhere and you are able to contact me, please do so in whatever way is safe for you. Even if you cannot come back, even if you cannot explain everything, just let me know that you are safe. Please contact me, my lovely sister.